Hi students, in this video we are going to explore about the virtual lectures because there is a major change to access the virtual lectures in Blackboard Ultra. Simply you have to click on your required course. Inside the course on the right side you can find our course faculty. Here you can have all the names of your faculty, either one teacher or if you're more than one teacher teaching. On the bottom you can have details and actions. In first, that is roster, class collaboration, attendance, books and tools. Here the second option, that is class collaboration. This is basically your virtual classroom, because earlier in Blackboard Learn that was the virtual classroom remain with the name of virtual classroom, but now it's been replaced with the class collaboration. So simply you have to go into class collaboration and here join the session. Once you click the join session, you will be inside the virtual lecture. Thanks for watching.